Guys, हम फिर सकते हैं एक चश्मा ब्रेकअबल भी कर सकता है। Guys, आज हम फिर से वही कर रहे हैं मैथ ग्राफ। इसमें मेरे ऊपर ही है मैथ ग्राफ। लास्ट टाइम हमारी मम्मा ने किया ये वाला, इस बार हमारी अम्मी ने किया ये वाला। तो ओवर टू माय मदर।
Hi my dears, how are you all? We are here again back with a good thought. Let me start. We do not need magic to change the world. We carry all the power we need in ourselves already. So let us begin our this class with a magic in ourselves to change the world. So here is the next part of the graph, that is less than and more than ogive. As you all know, ogive will come for how many marks? Yes, correct. Solid 3 marks. तो ogive आता है कितने marks को? 3 marks को definite question in the question paper. Already district level exam face ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. देखो ही कितने marks हुआ था, देखेंगे कैसा करना. So this is one question. You can see on the board here, class intervals and frequency. You have to do cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency here? Cross additions you have to do. First write the first number as it is. Then do this addition. 4 plus 7, you will get 11. Then next addition, 11 plus 9, 20. Then the next addition, 31. Then the next addition, 37. Then the next addition, 39. Remember here, the total what you are getting here, this number should match with this number. Then your cumulative frequency is correct. कभी क्या ध्यान रखना बच्चों, देखो नीचे का नंबर जो आया है वो नंबर ये नंबर को टैली होना, तो तुम्हारा क्रॉस एडिशन करेक्ट है. ये कर रही सो कौन सा? लेस देन ऑजिव. चलो लेस देन ऑजिव को प्लॉट करेंगे. So see the graph sheet here. I have taken only a half part of this. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, it's not required that exactly half sheet you have to do. Do according to the any margins, but be sure that the boxes should be complete. So first ogive I am doing, less than ogive. So here what should come here? This is x-axis. What should be in the x-axis? Yes, correct. Class intervals. What should be in the y-axis? Cumulative frequency. So we are doing the less than ogive. You should take the lower limit. Okay. So go for this less than ogive. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Less than ogive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Lower limit na consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, now see here, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, like that you should consider. If you come here, it will become more than 30. We will learn that in the next graph. So let us mark for the 40, what is the frequency you have? 4. See, I have not written the scale here. Let me mark the scale first. Take according to your choice. Let this be 5. This is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So let me mark now. Keep your pencil very sharp because points you have to mark. First one is 4. Next one is 11. Then the next one 20. Then 31. Then 37. Then 39. Over. Now join the points. Here you need not to use the scale only. हाँ scale use करना और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. ऐसा तुम्हें पेंसिल रख ले को लाइन्स डाल सकती हैं. ये कौन सी ogive? Less than. Less. This is less than ogive. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನಾವು? Less than ogive. Less than ogive. One thing you should remember, it will never come on the origin. Less than ogive never comes on the origin. Now we'll go for the more than ogive. See, I have already question here. Let us do the cumulative frequency. Any idea how you will do?
Very.
So we are doing cumulative frequency here. How we should do now? ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Less than ogive, we did cross addition. More than ogive, that also we can do in two ways. Either do cross subtraction or do addition from the down. Either do like that or do like this. So let us do the addition like this from the down. 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 9, how much? 21. 21 plus 6,
27.
27. 27 plus 4,
31.
31. Over. You can do in two ways. इसे दो रकम से करे जा हमें. ये क्या कर सकते हैं? ये टोटल नंबर यहाँ लिख लियो. लिख ले को क्रॉस सब्ट्रैक्शन कर ले जाओ. 31 minus 4, 27. 27 minus 6, 21. 21 minus 9, 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Okay. One method. One ತರ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಬರೋ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, so let us plot the ogive now. Yes, what should be in the x-axis? Very good. Class intervals. Y-axis, cumulative frequency. Now in the previous one I told you should take the lower limits because it should be less than. Here we will take the upper limit. More than 0, more than 50, like that. So mark your points. 50. Sorry, it should be on the x-axis. 50, 100, 150, 200. See, 0 is already there. 50, 100, 150, 200. I am taking the upper limit. 0, 50, 100, 150, 200. Now mark the frequency. See, it will come on the y-axis because your limit is 0. Every more than ogive will not start with a 0. No, recently we had one question in the preparatory exam where it is already cumulative frequency was already calculated. Only you have to plot the graph. In that graph, the first limit was 5. So it never touches the y-axis in that kind of graph. Here, if 0 is the first limit, then definitely it will touch the y-axis. So first one you have to mark. Take the scale here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So the 0 is how much? 31 on the y-axis. Then next is 27. Then next one is 21. After this 12. Then 5. So this is your more than ogive. More than ogive. Okay. The thing what you have to remember here is more than ogive. If your upper limit is 0, it will come on the y-axis. If your upper limit is more than 0, any other number, then it will start from the other point. What you saw in the preparatory paper was that one only. And one more thing here, what happens? If this kind of question comes, you have to do cumulative frequency. Sometimes what happens, this will be given in this way. More than 40, more than 50, more than 60. This will be given like this. Less than 50, less than 100. Yes? If it is given like this, then you need not to do the cumulative frequency. It is already done. Cumulative frequency is done. So let me clarify one more question in this. In the previous video I told you, if the graph is like this is called parallel graph, means no solutions. This is also called as inconsistent graph, which you had in the preparatory exam question paper. Inconsistent graph, how many solutions? Inconsistent graph means it's a parallel graph which doesn't have any solutions, no solution. If it is consistent graph, then what will be the graph? See, if it is a consistent graph, then it will be, one option is, it is intersecting graph. Intersecting graph, unique solution, it is consistent once again. Then suppose you have a graph like this. Coincident graph, that is also consistent graph, because every point behaves as a solution there. Every point on the line being a solution, this will be a consistent graph. Consistent graph has two solutions. One is unique solution, intersecting lines, coincident lines, infinitely many solutions. Both are consistent graphs. Then parallel graphs are inconsistent graphs, no solutions. I hope you enjoyed. So let us spread the magic everywhere, get all the marks, pass the exam. Good luck.